Welcome back to our First Responder Series, episode number 2 with sudden cardiac arrest. I'm your Ward 5 Alderwoman Lakeisha Purchase, and I'm here with our Medics First staff, and I would like to introduce them. To my left is Mason, and to my right is Ms. Rachel. And so we're going to get into our questions. Mason, what is cardiac arrest?
So cardiac arrest is when your heart stops beating and you lose blood flow to all vital organs, including your brain.
That is really serious. And Rachel, how do I know if someone is in cardiac arrest?
So the AHA recommends that you look for 2 things. So you want to first ask yourself, is the patient responsive?
Okay.
And then the second thing you want to ask yourself is the patient breathing normally. So any abnormal breathing would be considered short, shallow, or gasping breaths. So if you notice those 2 things, you want to immediately call 911 and then start CPR.
And we got to know how to do CPR too. So Mason, what can I do if I witness a cardiac arrest?
So when you witness a cardiac arrest, like Rachel said, you want to call 911 and then you want to start CPR. And how you do that is you put your hand in the center of the chest and you push down hard and fast for 100 to 120 beats a minute.
That is a lot, but guess what? That can save someone's life. And that's really a helpful tip for people who didn't even know what cardiac arrest was. And then Rachel, I'm going to wrap up by asking you, how can people learn? No worries. So we're in our brand new facility for Medics First, and that's the technology that you hear in the background when it's a call getting ready to go out. So it was good that you guys got to hear that. But what can we do to teach or help with hands-only CPR?
So there's a few things that we can do. With Medics First, we actually have events out in the community. So we'll set up a little booth with all of our equipment, and we will be able to teach people with a mannequin, actually teach them hands-only CPR. And then another thing, you can give us a call or visit our website at medicsfirst.com.
Thank you so much. And I just want to take the time to brag about Medics First again, too, because it's very critical. We depend on these two to go out and perform those professional services with our loved ones to get them from their home to the hospital or to transport them to different facilities as well. And it can also be mentally draining. You all encounter a lot of different situations, life and death threatening. And so I just want to take the time to personally thank you from the city's perspective and from being the alderwoman that represents you all. And I try my hardest to make sure that we're promoting your professionalism that you all have, and just thankful for the work that you do in our community. So thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes. And we will see you for our final episode soon. Take care.